thing, yeah. Bad credit ain't shit to get fixed. Keep telling y'all, yeah. We got classes on that.
Officers
That's
were
what I'm
called to the
cultivating
scene
this
to
channel.
begin with by the store owner at this location. It turns out the store owner wanted to trespass the male who was seen in the body cam footage causing problems, later identified as Taylor. Once the officers arrived, the store owner requested the trespass on Taylor. The officer then asked Taylor for his identification, which he did not provide, and then the officer informed him of the trespass. Taylor then left the premises on foot, which is when the events shown in the body cam footage pick up. Later on, an officer made contact with the store owner, who stated the disturbance began when Taylor entered the store, attempting to purchase $548 worth of cigarette cartons. Taylor attempted to swipe a credit card, but the machine read canceled. The store owner informed Taylor of this, to which he became very angry. Taylor made the store owner swipe the card 4 more times, and the card still didn't work. The store owner also stated Taylor provided him with an out-of-state ID, which didn't belong to Taylor according to the picture. The officer then viewed the store security footage and observed the white Ford SUV pull into the parking lot and Taylor exit the driver's seat. Taylor was then detained as he was still hanging around the area.
I don't get people sometimes, bro. I swear to God, it's like I don't know how they brain be working. Speaking of the brain, I was thinking this the other day, bro, and it's crazy how the brain works.
Y'all know we ain't watching all the DJ Ghosts. We got other stuff to get back into.
Cannabis micro businesses. That's the buzzword in Missouri, which revealed its first round of license winners across the state.
The Kansas City Metro had the most applications for dispensaries compared to other Show Me State congressional districts. Fox 4's Jacob Kittlestat's live from Westport, home to one of the license winners. Jake, you're finding a trend with these locations?
Yeah, Lauren, we have. They're all empty buildings. Nothing's going on. But these licenses, they were announced just yesterday, and this is really a situation where you need to have that license before you can do a lot of the other work. 40 Highway in Independence, this former Steak and Shake is listed as the potential future home of a dispensary micro business. Troost Avenue, this spot, once a car lot, is the address listed on the application for a winning wholesale grow operation. And in the belly of the West Bottoms, this back alley, surprisingly a part of State Line Road.
Now, see, the funny thing about that building, I drive by it every day, and with that being licensed for a grow operation, that's hilarious. Show me where the customers are. I'm going to go.
Also secured a grow license. They are a few of the first 40 cannabis micro businesses getting an initial go-ahead by the state, targeting certain demos for ownership.
By both minority group members and those of limited financial means.
Dan Vietz is the Missouri coordinator of Normal. He says a license will likely attract startup investors, allowing low-capital outsiders to break into the business. But state paperwork shows some applicants apparently banded together, with 74 out of the nearly 200 applicants for a Casey area dispensary listing this spot on Archibald Avenue as their potential address. Missouri health officials say that is allowed, and in fact, the licenses aren't married to a specific address. More information will be sussed out in the next month, but one highlight, the random selection process was taken very seriously.
It was conducted by the Missouri Lottery. The fact that those locations
bad
are
news for
vacant
everybody
buildings
else. I
now
already
means
won.
that they are immediately available for
Already
development.
won. Y'all know how it
So
comes
these are
time
going to
for me
be
to get into
micro
competition.
businesses, and for
Shouts
example,
out
a
to
grow
winning all the
license means that
time.
one of these facilities could have up to 250 flowering plants at the same time, and they could have 3 to 4 active crops over an entire year, so that's a lot more product for the marketplace. Jacob Kittlestat, Fox 4, working for you.
Technically, I'm going to have to let them know I'm going to need more than 4. Because I'm going to get back in there and be active. I got a crop harvest every month. 125. I'll do 250 every 2 months. 125 every month. Yeah, I fucking do it all though. You know. Shout out to the homies Green Table Podcast. Y'all know who's over there kicking it Sunday. Y'all know go check them out every week. I mean, you better add them to your